Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make a professional-looking outro or end screen for your YouTube videos, something that really grabs your viewers' attention and encourages them to watch more, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through making an awesome outro video using Canva, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized end screen ready to upload to your channel, and you'll know exactly how to tweak it for any video. Alright, let's dive straight in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser. Canva is this fantastic, free design tool, and don't worry if you haven't used it before, it's really user-friendly. If you haven't already made an account, just sign up, it only takes a minute. Now, once you're inside Canva, look for the big Create a Design button, usually at the top right corner. Give that a click. You'll see a range of options, but for today's purpose, you want to select Presentation. This might seem a little strange because yes, we aren't making an actual slideshow, but trust me, the 1920 by 1080 size is perfect for YouTube videos, so your outro will fit perfectly when you upload it later. That's why we're choosing Presentation. With your blank canvas open, it's time to start transforming this into a striking outro. Think of this as the last impression your viewers get before the video ends, so it's really worth making it look appealing and keeping your channel's style in mind. You can keep things simple and start from scratch. Just click on the text tools to add your labels, things like subscribe, watch more videos here, or even your social media handles. Arrange these wherever you want your clickable YouTube buttons to go. This is super important because later, when you upload it to YouTube, you'll use their tools to actually add those clickable elements on top of your design. So leave a bit of space for each label. Imagine invisible buttons will sit right over them. If you'd rather not start from a blank slate, Canva has loads of templates. Just type YouTube outro or end screen into the template search bar. Pick one that catches your eye, maybe something bold and vibrant, or maybe something a bit more minimalistic. Once you select a template, it's fully customizable. Swap out the colors to match your channel theme, update the fonts, and most importantly, add your own text or logo so it's unique to your brand. Now here's your chance to get creative. You can add fun graphics, maybe little arrows pointing at your next video box, or animated stickers if you want to bring it to life a bit more. Canva makes it as easy as clicking and dragging. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding a background color or image that suits your vibe. If your channel is all about travel, try a map background. If it's gaming, go with something pixelated or neon. The goal is to make people excited to stay on your channel. Once you're happy with your design, double-check that all your elements are lined up and there's space for YouTube's clickable rectangles. Don't worry if it takes a few adjustments. Sometimes you have to tweak things to get it just right, and that's totally normal. When you're finished, hit the download button up top and save it as an MP4 video file. That's it. You've got yourself a custom outro ready to go. Just upload this as the last clip in your next video, add the interactive elements on YouTube, and watch your channel start to look way more polished. If you found this helpful or have any questions about Canva or video editing, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and be sure to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials to boost your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.